Hi everyone, watch how I turn this single piece of plywood into this hexagonal shelf. If you want to add this home decor element to your home, stay tuned and I'll show you how I made it. As this is made from reclaimed pallet wood, this will require prepping at first. Firstly, I started taking off the nails. So here I am showing you the edges, as this cannot be used, so we are going to cut this off. Next, I used a hand planer to remove the top layer of the workpiece to bring out the pine wood effect. After I finished hand planing the workpiece, I used my sanding machine to even off any uneven surfaces that was created by the hand planer. This also helps to keep the workpiece smooth to the touch. I decided to hand sand the edges as the sanding machine would not be able to get into the gaps. I decided to keep the chipped off edges as it gives it a more rustic look. I am measuring the full length of the workpiece and marking out 6 points where I will make the bevel cuts. Now that the pieces are cut, we can assemble them. I taped all of the pieces from the outside, as this makes the glue ups and the assembly much easier, as you will see. First I applied a small dab of glue on the end grain to block the pores. This creates a seal for the second layer of glue to stick stronger. So here you can see, because of the tape I used before, it is much more easier to manage and put the pieces all together. I added a few small nails just to make it stronger, however this is not actually required. I filled in any gaps with wood filler, and now once it dried I started to sand it over to give it the smooth finish again. After I sanded it smooth, now I am applying the wood varnish. The wood varnish did not make much of a difference, so I thought I will try wood stain instead. So this is how it turned out. A very smooth finish, as you can see. Now let's see what my daughter thinks of it.
Pick up the box, Daddy. You put this box there.
Give me the next one.
Okay, go. Daddy, put this on this one. Okay, go, Daddy.
This one here?
Yeah.
Winnie the Pooh book?
Yeah.
Where should I put it?
There, next to it.
Okay. And your last book? Should we put it into your new shelf?
Yeah, that's the new shelf.
Oh.
Because I'm a superhero, Daddy.
Yes, you are a superhero. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to check out my other videos of similar projects, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.